Hey, what's up everybody? Thought I'd do a little bit of an update. I think I settled with my mini or micro EDC kit. Around the same time I ordered this Viperade VE26. I had ordered the VE18 small in Xpac at the same time, but due to shipping delays, didn't arrive until yesterday. But yeah, this is pretty great. It's lightweight, durable, compact, and yeah, I was able to fit the Ultralight O pen, the Olatan's G040, and the Ultralight. What's this new? The new i3T2. The clip goes a little bit higher for this one, so it's pretty nice. Yeah, liking this a lot. So for the VE26, what I have in here is the battery bank, mini Bic lighter with some Leuco tape. Got the Victorinox Mini Champ and A-Locks, a Sharpie Mini, and the Workos HG10, which I used tonight. Nice thing about this, has USB charging. So let's charge this up. Tell by the red indicator light. And for the headband strap, I used a Skill Hunt strap, but then I broke the mount piece. So I took the one from the Army Tech Wizard, which is actually better since you can just fasten on the headlamp a lot faster with this fat O-ring. So yeah, digging this setup though. I could always swap out the knife for the Mini Champ. I could just stick that like on one of these rings or a paracords. Stick it back here. Put the pen back in. And the light. Nice little setup here. Yeah, liking this as my wallet now. I've been using the where did I put that? The Chicken Tramper Ultralight Gear wallets. It's been working out well since has these. I've got the one with the waterproof zipper. But yeah, when you do the size comparison, it's actually a little bit bigger than this VE18 small in Xpac. Both of these wallets are in Xpac. Yeah, I might swap out between these two. I'll definitely use this for backpacking. But, yeah, I'm liking this little setup so far. You can kind of sort of fit the VE18 small within the VE26 if you're not packing as much. The way I have it now, this is in my pocket. And this is sitting in my bag for more extended lighting uses and other needs. Alrighty. Hope you have a good one. Take it easy.